Hey, are you done yet? Is your turn over? Whose turn is it? It's your turn, go. These are conversations I'm sure you've had if you've played any board games or card games, and that is that you never quite know when someone's turn is over. They're thinking about things and so on and so forth, or you don't know when it's your turn to start. And it's a small thing, obviously, but it does tend to take away from the engagement and fun of an experience. And I'm going to show you a game mechanic that we implemented in one of our games, one of our card games recently, to try to alleviate that issue from happening. Let me bring you down here to my tabletop here. And you can see this is a the Go Venture card game. It's got entrepreneur themes where you're running a store, and monster theme where you're capturing monsters. And here's the main layout of the card decks. This is a card game. There's other cards that are part of this. But we have product cards. Actually, let's set them up like this. We have product cards in the blue and customer cards in the orange. And here's the simple game mechanic that we've implemented to alleviate this whose turn is it thing. And that is, always start your turn by picking up a product card. That's it. It's as simple as that. You always start your turn by picking up a product card. That way, everyone knows that you've acknowledged that it's your turn because you've started your turn by picking up a card. There's nothing to think about. You don't have to worry about somebody processing what they're going to do next here and that. You pick up a product card, that starts your turn, and you're usually anxious to pick up that card because it reveals something of interest to you that adjusts your strategy. So that simple mechanic of starting your turn can be very helpful. And then on the end, to end your turn, you pick up either a product card again or a customer card where you're trying to find customers to buy your products. And when you pick up that card the second time, whether it's a product or a customer card, that is the indication that your turn is over. So there's no wondering, hey, is that player finished, or are you still thinking about things? As soon as they pick up that second card, their turn is essentially done. So just a simple game mechanic that alleviates this engagement issue of whose turn is it and are you done. I'm Matthew Giorgio.